everybody, from rainy Saco, Maine. We are self-isolating with the rest of the world and bust out the guitar. Nate's going to play because out of the two of us, his hands are in actually better shape than mine are right now, which is saying a lot.
But it's been a while, so they hurt.
It's been a long time since we played or sung together. So this is a song that we did years and years ago for a missions trip talent show, and we haven't done it since. So we just thought we would shoot some Beatles out to you guys. Everybody stay calm, listen to the Beatles, and stay the heck home. It's the best thing for you. Here's Rain. If the rain comes, they run and hide their heads. They might as well be dead. If the rain comes, if the rain comes, when the sun shines, they slip into the shade. They sip their lemonade when the sun shines. When the sun shines, rain, I don't mind. Shine, the weather's fine. I can show you that when it starts to rain, everything's the same. I can show you, I can show you, rain, I don't mind. Shine, the weather's fine. Can you hear me? That when it rains and shines, it's just a state of mind. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Rain, I don't mind. Shine, the weather's fine. Rain, I don't mind. Shine, the weather's fine. Go wash your hands.
We love you all.